if there is only one product in the headline search, so what I would do, I would go to Amazon Spain and I will write cable direct USB. So basically what we do is we ask Amazon to show us everything that related to cable direct and has USB, related to USB. And then, okay, so that's one. So you can go in and here you have 3 products. Okay, that's not the most related, but put it, it's not gonna make a damage, let's say. So here you have 3 asins. I'm going down. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, that's the second one. You have another asin, always take this one. I think that's the same one. By the way, you can do the same with the car charger. Look how many, when you're gonna do the car charger, you can do 1, 2, 3. Here, you need to make sure you don't press on sponsor ads, so it's not gonna cost us money. Our research not gonna cost us money. Okay, so make sure the listing you press is not sponsored listing. Here there is another product related to USB, and I think there is one in black. There you go, one in black, so you can add it as well. Okay, and there is another one. Okay, and please make sure, please put a big note on your screen or something. Always when you do research, always make sure the product is cable direct. Don't trust the pictures, because sometimes small sellers, they steal our pictures, okay, and they use the same picture. So we need to make sure 300% we add only our products. Otherwise, we're gonna give free advertising for our competitors. Because if you add asin of our competitor, obviously we give him free advertising. And there's no really way to check it. That's it. If you want to see how the ad look like, so let's say you go to any of the headline, let's say car charger, headline search, you go to the middle, and then here you press and you see how it looks like on mobile, on desktop. You see here I put in purpose 3 different products, and then you can check the landing page how it looks like. Okay, so I hope it's enough. Feel free to ask me any more questions, Martina. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.